one very convenient runic spread that I want to tell you about is the so-called Runic Wax spread. You use it to diagnose a situation and check if it has any negative energy in it. So we will learn this runic spread right now. So there is a known method of diagnosing and cleansing negativity in witchcraft by using melted wax, and this runic spread has the same goal. So it's called Runic Wax. The goal of this method is to diagnose negativity of any kind. For example, you can make a general reading of a person, or for some situation, or of some life area, like money, health, relationships, to determine whether there is some negative energy on it. So it looks like this. You pull out 4 runes. First row shows if there is some negativity, and if it is, then what's the type of it. The second row, runes number 5 and 6, show the source of this negativity, where did it came from, and the third row can show how this negativity appeared in your life. So this actually spread is very easy. It has strict rules that you must follow. First, you ask your question. For example, like I will use the spread Runic Wax to make a analyze the situation, to check if there is negativity in some concrete situation, or in a general person, or in their life area. And then you just pull out 4 runes and lay them in a row before you. So the most important is the rune on the position number 1. So if it has the next runes that I will tell right now, so the rune Avas, it will show that there is some kind of magical ritual negativity. The rune Hagalas, it means that there is some kind of destructive energy. The rune Thurisas also means some kind of a force that is working with a destructive purpose. Lagos can usually represent love magic. The reversed Lagos, it can represent magic done with the dead water. Otala can also represent some very old family-related negativity, and for example, reversed Manas rune, it represents some kind of a dead spirit entity, demon, or something like that. So the rules are very strict. When you pull out the 4 runes, if on the first position any of these runes appear, it means that there is negativity. Only on the first position. So if in the first position none of these runes appear, that means that there is no magical negativity, and the second and third rows are not needed. So all the other runes on the first row add more details to the specific of the negativity. If there are no marker runes but other weak runes like reversed runes, this means just weakening of some sorts but no magical negativity. The rune markers above and the rules of the spread must be followed strictly, because you tell it to your rune set. Just take your rune set and speak to it and tell them that I will do this rune spread. Now here are the rules of this rune spread. If on the first position there are these runes, then there is negativity. Only the first position matters to determine if there is or no negativity. So from now on, when you use the spread, these rules will be applied. So if you have a rune set, if you want to try your hand in runic divination, I invite you to use this or any other runic spread, or this one. Maybe check yourself or any other person with this, and write your experience in the comments. If you need help interpreting, or you can also write in the forums. All the links are in the video description.